Welcome into the channel. It's Michael Tharp, EDU. It starts with you. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to qualify for an absolutely free airdrop that will continue to keep paying you. So guys, lots of people in the crypto space have been talking about GRASS, earn a stake in the AI revolution, get paid for your unused internet. So basically what they're doing is they're taking the bandwidth you're not using, they're bringing it together, decentralizing it out into AI, and getting paid for it. So this is a really cool website. So I'm scrolling down right now, okay? And it's moving sideways. So you can see this is what your dashboard will look like. You're gonna be able to earn constantly. You can refer friends and grow your earnings. Keep running in the background to earn, and then you can keep track of your earnings. So I'm still scrolling down, and so you see I went to the right and now it's going down. So you can watch this video to learn about GRASS on how to turn your unused bandwidth into passive income. Again, guys, this token isn't even live yet. That's why we're doing this early to hopefully get some airdrops. So GRASS is the underlying infrastructure that powers AI models. By installing the GRASS web extension, the application will automatically sell your unused internet to AI companies. So this is absolutely free, way to make money, and the fact that we're this early hopefully will get us some airdrops. So protected personal data. There's no possible way for buyers to see your data or view your activity. Security and privacy are 100% guaranteed. Boost your rewards with our referral program. So again, make sure you guys look down in the description to get the link. And people are absolutely loving this. So I'm going to show you guys how to download the GRASS extension, create an account, and just start earning, and then get that nice, juicy airdrop. Let's get into it. So this is a GRASS airdrop token that's been confirmed for March 2024. Takes us less than 20 minutes, costs $0. The potential gain could be $10,000 or more. So let's see. GRASS is a project that sells unused internet bandwidth to corporations and institutions. Their application runs in the background of your computer. They've raised $4.5 million from Polychain and other VCs. So you can see here in the FAQ section of their website, they hinted at an upcoming GRASS airdrop for testers. Here's how you can become a tester for free before March. So the first one is we're going to click on this. I'll put my link down below underneath the video. Just look in the description. It will take you to something like this. So I'm going to go ahead and put in all this information, and make sure you use my referral code that I'll put down there, and we'll get going. Okay, we are in, so you will see this once you log in. So now what you want to do is click that big connect green button right above my head, and that will take you to the Google Chrome store. Click add to Chrome, add extension. Okay, so it's been added, it vanished. So you just click on this little puzzle piece, go to the GRASS extension, and then pin it right there, and there it is. Okay, so we should be able to connect now. So I went ahead and deleted GRASS, and I think what you want to do is when you click this, connect, do that there. So then when you come to here, you can log in. Okay, so now it says my name up here. Network quality 100%. Why does it say disconnected? Okay, I don't know what I just did, but it connected. All right, so more uptime, more airdrop tokens. Faster internet connection will result in a higher token count. And then he talked about the referrals. And I guess that's basically it, guys. But it's that simple. My network quality is 100%. All right, so it is that easy. I don't think you can use a VPN when you're doing this. But as you can see here, I've already earned 6.67 points. And it's literally been like 5 minutes. So it's that simple, guys. Again, this is all about sharing bandwidth, which is a huge narrative in cryptocurrency. A lot of people are excited about Grass launching, and this is just a way for you to get in early, and hopefully we'll get a nice big juicy airdrop from Grass as we decentralize everything. All right, lace up, let's get wealthy. Peace.